So, you're looking for a recipe for sweet pickles? You've come to the right place. These are our favorite sweet pickles here, and we're going to show you just how we make these sweet little pickles. We're fresh back from a trip to Aldi, and we picked up 2 of these long English cucumbers, and these are perfect for these sweet pickles. These cucumbers are not quite as thick as your normal cucumbers, which makes them the perfect size for what we're looking to do here. Julie is going to slice up both of these cucumbers, trying to get nice thin slices. Oop, not quite that thin. Just nice thin slices, which will serve perfectly for this style of sweet pickle. We're looking to get a yield of about 3 16-ounce mason jars of pickles, so we're going to end up with about 6 cups of sliced cucumbers. So there's our 4 cups, and there's our 6 cups. Right away, Julie is spreading 2 teaspoons of salt right over those sliced cucumbers, and now she's going to give them a nice good stir to fully absorb that salt into those cucumbers. These sweet pickles are so tasty. If you're looking forward to tasting them, why don't you quickly click that like button? That greatly helps us out too. Thank you much.
For 2 hours now.
And now we're going to set this on the countertop for 2 hours and let that salt do its thing. And after those 2 hours, we're going to give that a good rinse. And Julie wasn't happy that I was showing you our dirty sink, so I asked her what she just got done making.
Chocolate chip bread.
Well, that sounds pretty good. Maybe that's going to have to be a future video. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see it. Alright, we've got that fully rinsed off. Now we've got some celery seed, 1 tablespoon to be exact. We're going to pour that into the bowl right over those cucumbers.
Smell that.
And yes, that smells really good. You can see here, Julie has started peeling a large onion. Now she's going to cut this into quarters. And after that, we're going to go and dice this up. And as you might see there, you can see our chop wizard. Yeah, it's seen better days. We broke this a few months back and just trying to work with it. You can see that corner there where everything broke off from trying to do a little bit too much. But you can see it still did get us that 1 cup of diced onions, so that worked out still good. We're going to pour that into our bowl here as we get closer here to making these sweet pickles. But now it is pepper time. We're going to use about 1.5 green peppers here, but you can also use red peppers, any other type of peppers you want, and to kind of mix it up to your liking. These peppers are going to get diced up, and you can see how she is preparing the peppers for dicing. As she was doing a little bit of cleanup here, her eyes were still watering from those onions.
It's so red.
Sorry, dear. But hey, this looks like a great time to hit that subscribe button. We hope you agree. Alright, let's get back to using this chop wizard, this broken chop wizard. We're going to dice up 1 cup of peppers. If we stick to chopping small pieces of pepper, this works just fine still. And there we go, we've got our cup, and maybe just a little bit extra. We're going to pour that into the bowl directly as well. And remember, we're making sweet pickles, so we're going to add in 2 cups of sugar right into that bowl.
That's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, I think next time we're going to try this with only 1 cup, because that is a lot of sugar. Now we've got some white vinegar. We're going to add 1 cup of white vinegar right across the top of everything as we get ever closer to our final sweet pickles. And before I forget, you can copy all the ingredients right from the description of the video below. We do have everything all together in that bowl, so now it's time to stir up all that goodness. Looking fantastic.
Going in.
Oh, there we go. She says she's going in. This batch here did fill up just a bit more than 3 16-ounce mason jars. And also in the description below, we have links to the jars that we do use, and those are affiliate links, so if you do end up buying those, that helps out our channel just a bit. Every little bit helps, and we appreciate it. Once you've got those loaded into your jars, you're going to cap those up, and then you want to refrigerate those. So now the friend that we got these from said it's best to wait 3 days before you serve them, but we tasted them right away, and you know what? They were super tasty. I do use this as a relish on hot dogs. So good. These keep for 6 months in your refrigerator. And be sure to check out our video on dill pickles by clicking right there. And certainly if you stuck with us through this full video, why don't you click that subscribe button for more videos just like this. And once Julie's eyes clear up from those onions, she's looking forward to reading your comments below. Until next time, God bless.